What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll see where do dividend payments go once they're paid out on Trading 212. Also, if you guys just recently created your Trading 212 account, you can use my promo code from the description below to claim a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your location. And now let's get started. So now once you open your Trading 212 account, you will be on this default homepage right here. So to see where do your dividend payments go from your dividend stocks, we'll just go to our portfolio section right here. Then we will just select our pie right here. And we will scroll down to the dividend payment section right here. Now, as you can see, I have about 18 euros gained in dividend payments, but until recently, I didn't know where these payments are going. So if you click on the dividends to enable your auto invest, you will see under this off section where your dividend payments are going. So as you can see, dividend income won't be reinvested and will be edited to your account's free funds. So if you have auto invest off, your dividend payments will be credited to your free funds. And you can see your free funds right here. So just go ahead and click on your total account value right here. And your free funds will be right under your portfolio section. So if you click on your free funds, you can see how much you have in euros, dollars, or any other currency that you have on your account. So that's guys where your dividend payments are going on Trading 212 if you have your auto invest set to off. I hope this video answered your question. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.